Hey there, we wanted to quickly do a demo on how to create an order for our plus option, which is the special effects heat transfer products such as glitters, reflectives, and metallics. So in the order page, as you can see here, once you've selected your product, size, style, color, quantity, you're going to check off the plus button. And you'll notice that there's two design sizes. There's a 9 by 9 front and back size, and then there's a front chest, really, which we've created so you can do a left chest or a right chest or even just a basic name for the front and back of the garment. So we'll select a color that really shows the effects of it. And then underneath, what will open up is the different options. So there's a soft metallic, there's reflective, there's glow in the dark, and there's glitter and hologram. So for this demo, we will do a reflective, and then you can pick on color. We'll do a silver reflective. If you want to hover over this square box, it'll actually give you a zoom of what the image will look like as the overlay from your art. And these are photos we've taken right from the heat transfer material that we're using to make the product for you. So in this instance, we'll select Browse Library. We're using the basic tool for this one. And you can go into your own library. You can go into stock designs, which is great because you can actually take any PNG file that you've uploaded, or if you wanted to use from our stock design program. There's the Shirtley text art and then Great Dane stock art images. But Shirtley has a ton of different really cool top selling text designs that are available for you to use for free. And not only can you use it with DTG print, but you can use it with plus. So for example, we'll select this item. And once you've selected your product, and it can be any of your art files as well, what we've done is we've coded the design tool to put an overlay. So it actually takes this image and then overlays over top, and then you can position it in sizes. So your max size is 9 by 9, but you can make it a little smaller, a little bit bigger, position it where you want. You can hide the design feature so you can see the placement and how it looks. And once you're complete, you just click on save and continue with shipping and create your order. I'll also show you how to create mock-ups for your stores with the different effects so that you can actually put it in your stores and give a realistic, lifelike image for your customers to see what the effect will look like. Good luck with your sales is just another great feature. Just to stress, the 9 by 9 size is $6 US, and then the front and back chest size is going to be $4 US for fulfillment service. So very affordable to give you a premium quality product in your stores. Take care, guys.